Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I want to talk about Diamond Art Club's new toolkit. There has been a lot of interest in it because they now have a new tray that has a cover and a stopper and it is stackable. But the thing that seems to be catching a lot of attention is Diamond Art Club's new standard diamond painting pen. They have stepped away from the normal tube with the nylon tip and the brass insert, which every company supplies with their kits. They have upgraded it. They now have a totally new pen. It is more ergonomic, but the thing is, it is loaded with putty. So you don't have to dip your pen in the pink wax. You have the putty in the pen and you can screw the pen down and feed putty to the tip. So it is a big change for diamond painters. As I said, it is going to be the standard kit, but at the moment Diamond Art Club are phasing it in, so not every kit has it. Some people have been thinking that any new kit from now on will have it, but that isn't the case. And I know that some people have ordered kits thinking they would get the new toolkit and didn't. So today I want to show you how you can be sure that you are getting a kit with the new toolkit. They will be in all the kits, but at the moment they're phasing in, so don't assume that every kit has the new pack. So I'll show you how to make sure that you are going to get the new toolkit if you want to see the new pen and the new tray. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing we have to do obviously is to go to the Diamond Art Club website, which is diamondartclub.com. So here we're on the home page and we'll go to new arrivals. So these are the newest kits, and as I said, people, and it makes sense that they've brought out this new toolkit, so anything that's brand new will have the new toolkit. Not necessarily. So I'm going to go through them. We'll just start with the first one, Mesmerizing Secret. Click on that. It comes up, and then what we do is, you see these little dots here, it's different thumbnails. So we'll go, this is the actual artwork, this is the rendering, and this is what you get in the kit. And what we are looking at is this bottom part here. You can see that there is a yellow package. It also mentions washi tape, it mentions cover minder, and it shows the current tray. That means that it is the kit that we have been used to for the past couple of years that has the cover minder and the washi tape. The new kit does not have the cover minder and it does not have the washi tape. So we'll go back and we'll try the next one, Alpine Meadow. So just click on it. It comes up, we get the original artwork, we swipe it, we get the rendering, then we get the kit contents. Again, yellow, and it has the cover minder and the washi tape. So this is not the new toolkit. So that's two brand new kits, but they don't have the new toolkit. So we'll try this one, the Sushi Rollers. Tap it. I'm doing this on an iPad, by the way. The computer, you would just be using your mouse to click. So we get the original artwork, we get the rendering, and then we get the kit contents. Again, yellow bag, washi tape, and the cover minder. So again, this is the kit that we are used to. It is not the newest one. So we'll keep trying. Now the thing is, it's more if you're looking at kits and there's two or three that you like and you only want to buy one. It might make a difference to you if you really want to see and try this new pen or try the new tray with the cover, with the lid. So we'll try the next one. So the next one is Ruffle My Feathers. We'll click on that. Again, original artwork, rendering. This one, it's showing you, giving you an idea of the size. So we have a sofa and it gives you an idea of how big it is. We go to the next one, it shows you what's in the kit. Now you'll see this one is different. The toolkit, it's a different bag. It's white with pink writing, and it shows you the new pen, which is up here, and it mentions stackable tray with lid and stopper. So this diamond painting has the new kit. So if you order it, you will get the new kit. As I said, they are phasing the new kit in. It will be the standard. It will come with every kit. But if you're just curious and you want to try it, this is how to find it. So we found one that has it. We'll try the next one, Botanical Witch. Again, just tap on it. Original artwork, rendering, and it shows you the kit contents. Again, toolkit, it's white with pink writing, and it shows you the pen, and it shows you the tray with the lid. So again, this one has the new kit. And I'll just do one more. I haven't actually went through them, so we'll try this one. Clio Trio, original artwork, rendering, toolkit, new kit, white bag, pink writing, white pen, and the tray with the lid. There's more to it than that. Actually, I have done a video about the pen. If you're watching this and you're thinking, what is he talking about, new pen? I have done a video showing the new pen, taking it to pieces, showing how it works, and testing it. So if you're curious about the new pen, I will put a link in the description and you can have a look and see what you think. It is very different from the pens that we normally get from diamond painting companies. Very different. So that's it. So basically what you have to do is actually go into the kit that you're thinking about buying and just find the thumbnail. I'm just going to do a last one, may as well. It's a cat. So what is that? Paracelsus. I hope I'm saying that right. The Philosopher's Familiar. So we'll have a look at this one. And again, we get the original artwork, the rendering, the toolkit, and again it is the new kit. White, pink writing, white pen, tray with the lid. So you can see quite a few of them have the new kit, but like I said, if you're maybe looking at 2 or 3 and you're thinking, well, I like this one, I like this one, I like this one, but I'm not sure which one to get, and you want to try the new pen, I'm sure a lot of people are very curious about it. You can see which one has the new kit, so you won't be disappointed. As I said, I have heard that some people have ordered brand new kits and just assumed they got the new Diamond Art Club toolkit, and they didn't. So this is how you check to make sure. But as I said, every kit, at some point, every kit will have the new toolkit. We're just in a transition period, so just at the moment, don't assume that you're going to get the new kit. Just check it on the website. So that's it. So that is it, short but sweet. That is how you find the new kit. If you are looking to buy a diamond painting and you really want to try out the new kit, just go through the thumbnails and look for that white bag with the pink writing. You'll see the white pen and the tray with the lid. As I said, every kit is going to have that, but at the moment they're just in a transition stage. So don't assume because it's a brand new kit it will have the new toolkit. As you saw, they don't all have it yet. The reason I did this video is because a lot of people have been asking me about the pen. A lot of people are curious about it. Some people didn't even know it was coming. Some people, as I said, have bought brand new kits and didn't get the new pen and wondered why. As I said, it's because it's in a transition period, so you can't assume that the kit that you're looking at has the new toolkit. Check. So that's how you do it. Just go to diamondartclub.com, click on the canvas that you're interested in, go through the thumbnails and just have a look to see if it includes the new pen and the tray with the cover. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in seeing more diamond painting related videos, unboxings, unbaggings, comparisons, pretty much anything to do with diamond painting, please subscribe and hit the notification button. If you do that, you may catch me live on YouTube Live, where you can drop in and have a bit of a chit chat, ask questions if you have any questions, and just see what I'm working on. I can find out what you're working on as well, and just basically shoot the breeze and talk about diamond painting or talk about the weather or whatever. Really relax, just drop in, have a bit of a chat. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.